In this video, I'm gonna be walking through can we access our Wix website theme codes? No, we can't access our Wix website theme code, but if you want, you can easily add custom codes to your Wix website. To add custom codes, first of all, go to your site editor and click on this add elements icon. And here select embed code. Select popular embeds, and now you can embed HTML code by clicking here, or you can add embed a site. From here you can add custom element. So select embed HTML code, and now select code here, and now write here your custom codes. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.